Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome to my channel. And now that you're here, I would love if you would press that subscribe button below if you've not yet subscribed to my channel. And also you guys remember to hit that notification bell so that you will always know when I upload new videos. Thank you guys so much for joining me. So in front of me, you guys, I have got some homemade tortilla shells along with some ground turkey, some tomato picante sauce, and some sour cream. And out of this, you guys, I am going to put together some delicious low carb nachos that look like this. You see that? Yes, you guys, if you want to learn how to turn all of this into that, then stay with me and I will show you how coming up next. Welcome back everyone. So the first thing that we need to do is to go ahead and get this ground turkey cooked. And of course, I favor ground turkey poultry in my diet versus beef. So if you want to substitute beef, then you can do exactly that. But we need to go ahead and get this meat cooked. So I'll see you at the stove. All right, everyone, we are going to start with putting some olive oil in this preheated skillet. Because as you know, ground turkey does not have much fat. But it's got a good level of protein, which is one of the things that I want to increase in my diet this year. Now we're going to go ahead and put this meat in. And I'm going to start layering in the flavor with these seasonings. Okay. Some salt. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper. And lastly, I've got some salt-free Mrs. Dash, or it's just called Dash now, salt-free Dash, Southwest Chipotle flavor. And this should really give it the chili flavor that I am looking for. And mix this in, and then we are just going to continue to let this brown. All right, you guys, we are close to getting done with this meat. And then once it is cooked all the way through, we can go on to putting these nachos together. All right, everyone, now these are the chips, and don't they look amazing? Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys, we have got all these chips assembled in this baking dish. So now it is time to go ahead and layer on all this goodness. I've got some ground turkey here that I cooked with some salt and some pepper and some garlic powder and some of this deliciousness. It's called Dash Southwest Chipotle. I've got some picante sauce. I've got my cheese blend here. And then I also have some fresh tomatoes that I sprinkled with some salt and then some more of this. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, let's go ahead and get into this. We're gonna start with the meat. And as you can see, I am smothering these chips with this meat. Next, let's put a little bit of this picante sauce on it. Again, we are just layering this flavor. Now for some of these fresh tomatoes. And lastly, nachos would not be nachos without plenty of cheese. Oh my goodness, you guys. And this is ready for the oven. So I am going to go ahead and put these in until all this cheese melts and everything else is heated all the way through. And you guys, after that, I'm going to come back and we're going to eat. I'll see you soon. And here we have it, you guys. All right, everyone. I am one happy person right now because I cannot tell you the last time that I have had nachos. So let's not waste any more time. Lord, I thank you. And let's get right into this. Oh my gosh. I don't know where to start. This looks so amazing. Oh my gosh. Wow, you guys. Please forgive me when I stuff my face, but that's exactly what I'm getting ready to do. Oh my God. These are some of the best nachos that I've ever had. And you guys, they are homemade and they are low carb. This is one of these things that you can make your own kind of special by swapping out ground beef for the turkey if that's what you desire, putting in your own seasonings just like I did, putting on your own toppings. I decided to use fresh tomatoes that were sprinkled with some of that spicy with chipotle seasoning, along with some picante sauce, some cheese, and ground turkey. You guys, I am in for a feast, and you will be too. You gotta give this a try, and when you do, please do give this video a thumbs up, please do share, and please do press that subscribe button below and join me on my YouTube journey when I find and make delicious, homemade, low-carb, keto-friendly recipes such as this. You won't be sorry. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and remember to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. And you continue to make it your own kind of special with delicious homemade nachos such as this. And until we meet again, you guys, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I'll see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thanks for joining me. These are so good. Oh my gosh.